How to fix the Wizz app not working. So basically, there are a few reasons why this can happen. Whether it's crashing, not loading, or stuck on a black screen, not sending messages, or won't open. So before anything else, just make sure your network or internet connection is doing well. You can enter maybe other websites or platforms to see if it's also lagging there. If it is, then maybe it's your network connection and you're gonna have to get that fixed, go get a better signal, or change to different networks. If not, then just go ahead and check if the Wiz server is down, since maintenance can happen. So check the app itself if it is having problems. So just go ahead to their official websites and official platforms to see. Maybe they have it down for now. But if that's the case, then just go ahead and wait until they have it back. Another thing you can do is just go ahead into your settings. Once you're there, just go ahead and search for apps. Then you're gonna have to find the Wiz app specifically. So just go ahead to what apps. You can search for Wiz as well if you have that option, or you can just search for it manually. But again, just go ahead to your Wiz app, then go to the clear data option and just press on clear cache. If you go for clear all data, you're gonna have to log in again to the account you were using. So make sure you've cleared your cache as well. You can also try restarting your app. So of course, to restart, just go ahead to the app itself, clear it out, and just re-enter the app itself to see if it will work again. Then if that doesn't work, try reinstalling Wiz. As long as you have your account data with you, you can just re-log in back after you have reinstalled your Wiz app. So you can do this directly in the Play Store. Just go ahead and search for the Wiz app itself. Wiz app. Actually, I don't have the Wiz app in our Play Store. I downloaded it as an APK. So if you did download it as an APK, then just go ahead and make sure your version is in the latest update. You can look through their websites to see what version they're currently in and see what version your app is currently in as well. Make sure it's the latest version as well, because if it's not, then of course it won't work. You can also try restarting your device. So restarting your phone resets background processes. So just go ahead and hold the power button on your phone for a bit and wait for this to pop out, either a reboot or a power off option. Then just go ahead and turn on your phone again. But those are some ways you can try to potentially help you fix the Wiz app not working. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.